And viewers, let's get you the top story that we are tracking here this hour on Times Now. In a shocking attack, Congress workers vandalized a car carrying EVMs in Maharashtra's Nagpur just hours after polling closed, and exit polls predicted a loss for the Congress and its allies in the state. Now, in this video, take a look on your screens. Congress cadre can be seen gherawing the car, carrying the EVMs as officers try to control the crowd. The car's rear windshield is seen shattered as Congress workers brandish the broken car wiper and also raise slogans. We're going to play out that video for our viewers as well. But this attack took place after the zonal officer, was left in a car that was carrying the EVMs to photocopy some documents. So the zonal officer had left the car that had the EVMs. He went out to get some documents photocopied, after which this attack took place. The police has issued a statement on the matter and have said that no EVMs have been harmed or damaged. But for now, the attempt by Congress workers was to target the car that was carrying the EVMs. BJP has condemned the incident, saying that the Congress keeps on talking about the Constitution but does not respect it, and has also alleged that the Congress is trying to shift the blame ahead of results as it knows it is losing.
देखिए, कांग्रेस पार्टी जो है ना सिर्फ अग्रेसिव है, रिग्रेसिव है। उनको अभी समझ में आया है कि उनकी नैया डूब चुकी है, तो वो उतरे हैं बयानबाजी पे और स्टूपिड कमेंट्स देते हैं, गलत काम करते हैं। ईवीएम कैन नॉट बी टैम्पर्ड, ये हकीकत है और इलेक्शन कमीशन ने हर हद तक ये साबित किया है। तो जो लोग सिर्फ ये तैयारी पे है कि हमारी हार होए तो ईवीएम टैंपरिंग और हमारी जीत है तो जनता का जनादेश, यू कांट हैव दिस डबल स्पीक। तो कहीं ना कहीं कांग्रेस पार्टी को स्क्रिप्ट चेंज करना ही पड़ेगा।
यही है कांग्रेस की मोहब्बत की दुकान और संविधान का सम्मान। कांग्रेस पार्टी फ्री एंड फेयर इलेक्शंस में विश्वास नहीं रखती। कांग्रेस पार्टी मोहब्बत की दुकान की बात करती है, संविधान के सम्मान की बात करती है, पर लगातार हार को देखते हुए वो किस प्रकार से इलेक्शन कमीशन पर पहले जुबानी हमला और अब तो फिजिकल हमले पर उतर आई है। कांग्रेस पार्टी ने लगातार ईवीएम इलेक्शन कमीशन पर सवाल खड़े किए हैं, क्योंकि ईसीआई ईवीएम तो बहाना है, हार के लिए किसी और को निशाना बनाना है।
Shrishti is joining us live. Shrishti, first take us through the exact details of what happened, because now we have a statement from cops that the EVMs that were in the car have been unharmed. But take us through what exactly happened and why did Congress workers gheraw the car, which not only had the EVMs but also had an EC official, and what is the kind of case that has been imposed on them after this shocking and brazen attack?
Well, of course, this entire incident unfolded after the voting, which was over yesterday in the evening. Now, the ECI officials were taking the EVM as well as several other documents to a safe station. When they were taking that particular machine to a safe station, this entire incident unfolded, wherein an officer just came out of his car and went to a shop to do a photocopy. The people who gathered over there thought that they are trying to manipulate the EVM and they are trying to do some activities which are not by the rules. However, they misunderstood the entire dynamics and they gherawed out that particular car, also harmed ECI officials, is what we are coming to know from our sources. But after that, what exactly unfolded is that the Karyakartas from both the sides have gathered at that particular place, and there was a ruckus for several time. For some time, police has also imposed Section 144 in that area. Now, this entire incident unfolded in Nagpur Central Constituency. Now, remember, Nagpur Central Constituency is important because RSS headquarters is there, and that's why the fight is also on edge in that particular constituency. Police came at that particular place. They managed the entire situation. They have given out the statement that the EVM which was present in that particular car, that was a spare EVM which is usually there with the ECI officials. As if there is any emergency kind of situation, then they can use it. But
Okay.
the main original EVM was at the polling booth, and then it was taken to safe zone.
Right.
But yes, of course, this is a serious situation which has unfolded, wherein Congress karyakartas are said to be involved in this entire matter. Now, police is probing, and the entire details will come out. But of course, what comes across is that the politics is happening around it, wherein now BJP leaders are saying that Congress always talks about constitution,
Right.
and the kind of action
No, and we
they
have no
have
response
taken.
that has
and
come in either from the leaders of the Mahavikas Aghadi or the Congress party, whose workers are now embroiled in this huge controversy. Because remember, it is the Congress party which throughout the campaign has spoken about saving the Samvidhan. And now, when this is a footage, where there is visual evidence of what the Congress party workers tried to do in Nagpur after polling ended. Official response says that the EVM that the Congress party thought possibly was some kind of manipulation was going to happen was a spare EVM. No response from the Congress party whatsoever, Shrishti, so far?
Well, of course, Congress party has refrained from giving out any statement as of now, but we'll see if they will give any kind of response in the afternoon. But of course, now the BJP leaders as well as the Mahayuti leaders are specifically pointing out the fact that Congress always talks about the constitution and rules and laws which needs to be followed. And from their aspect, which the rules and ECI laws as well as code of conduct laws are not being followed by the leaders in the state government who are in power. But on the contrary, what one
Yes.
can understand is that now the Congress workers were involved in this entire matter. What Congress will say, that needs to be seen.
So, Shrishti, there are many who are pointing out that one, obviously the Congress talks about saving democracy. Two, the Congress talks about, मोहब्बत की राजनीति and मोहब्बत की दुकान. Number 3, the Congress talks about संविधान को बचाना है. And everything what Congress workers did yesterday in Nagpur Central betrays the slogans given by Congress party's top leaders, while the BJP says that this also shows the desperation and frustration of the Congress party after what exit polls are projecting. The Congress is yet to respond. Any response from, leaders of the Mahavikas Aghadi, be it the Sena UBT or the NCP Sharad Pawar faction, now that this video is out for the world to see?
Well, of course, the leaders from Mahavikas Aghadi has not yet reacted to the entire controversy which has unfolded. But of course, when we talk about Nagpur Central constituency, it is important because RSS headquarters is there. The voter over there is Nitin Gadkari as well. So, of course, it is controversial and important and significant constituency. Yesterday, in the afternoon as well, there was a cache which was found allegedly at the office of the particular candidate of Congress at that particular place, and that also urged the Congress that why the cash was found. And importantly, when police officials went at the particular place at the office of the Congress candidate, there were BJP karyakartas as well. So they had some kind of anger in the afternoon itself, which reciprocated in the evening, is what we can understand.
Bitterly fought election, an absolutely torrid campaign, and now after the polls also, this kind of violence that has broken out in the state of Maharashtra, especially in a big ticket constituency like Nagpur Central. What's going to happen in the run-up to 23rd? We'll keep you at viewers. Thank you, Shrishti, for getting us all those details.